So this customer wants to tint his marker lights. So we're using something called knifeless tape to lay down the line of where this is going to cut. To lay the vinyl on top of it. And wherever this tape is where it's going to cut the vinyl.
He's gonna get a little wet.
Oh, am I?
You can wipe it. Wanted me.
I don't think he did.
He did.
I don't think he did.
He did though.
You're lying.
You can go ask him.
You're lying.
Hey,
Marshall did not call here. Get over here, Aaron.
Marshall.
You're lying.
Didn't you ask me to come over here?
See? You're lying. He's lying too. Wash the damn car. Car's washed already. We ain't like you, Frank, taking all day.
And I have to redo the inside of the windshield.
Yeah, the
Gosh, you have to play your favorite game for the game.
Oh,
I'm playing my favorite game. Do you see what I see? That's the game.
You know exactly what I did.
The water spot right here. I caught it in the sun.
gosh, I'm too tall for this.
Yep, you gotta lay.
Jeez, you can't reach that.
Inside of this wheel well, by the back wheel, the painted part of the inside of the wheel well could use some love.
Anybody want to put this thing in reverse?
Underside of the plastic rocker panel, just like the spoiler all the way back. I love having to do this, like to find things.
This is a fun game for you?
It's fantastic.
This makes me want to kill myself.
I haven't had to do this much of a, it's good. I haven't had to lay on my head to find things in a long time.
I don't get
Where is the trunk button on this?
right there.
What did you find?
He found a couple things, and I already fixed a couple of them, but you don't need to know the rest.
There's dirt in the cracks of his seats. There's dirt
I took care
in
of them
between.
already.